It is exactly 2 a.m. Suddenly, your spouse collapses on the kitchen floor. You dial 911, but hear absolute silence. You frantically drive to the nearest local hospital, but the facility gates are locked completely tight. The massive parking lot is completely dark now. A handwritten sign on the locked door reads, "No power, no staff, closed until further notice." You are standing completely alone in the dark. When emergency help is gone, who saves you? Most Americans believe emergency medical help is guaranteed, a quick ambulance ride and professional hospital care. But this comfortable feeling is a total illusion. Your family's physical survival relies on three things. Modern hospitals completely collapse when power grid dies. Take that electricity away and everything changes fast. Your trusted healing sanctuary instantly turns completely locked. Tonight, we detail 5 critical SHTF medical emergencies. These are not just theoretical imaginary prepper scenarios. They are documented silent killers in every blackout. Most ordinary families have absolutely no idea. Today, we explain exactly how to handle them alone. You will learn critical survival medical skills tonight. These simple skills protect your family's vital survival. Grab your gear and let's get to work. Most Americans believe professional medical help is guaranteed. An ambulance arrives in 8 short minutes today. The modern hospital easily handles every emergency situation. This comfortable safety feeling is a massive illusion. Your average hospital has 3 days of backup. After 3 days, massive diesel backup generators fail completely then. Vital life support systems shut down completely. Critical operating rooms go completely dark and silent. Expensive refrigerated medications spoil rapidly without cold power. During major natural disasters, medical staff often flee. They abandon their posts to protect their families. Your nearest local hospital is not safe today. It becomes a dark building with no staff. You must become your family's first medical responder. Let's expose the truth behind closed hospital doors. In August of 2005, Hurricane Katrina struck. Memorial Medical Center was surrounded by deep floodwaters. The hospital's backup generators failed completely within hours. Temperatures rose dangerously to over 100 degrees. Nurses pumped air into failing lungs by hand. Rescue boats struggled to evacuate critical dying patients. 45 vulnerable patients tragically died inside the dark. Survivors were moved to crowded municipal rescue shelters. This disaster proved our medical systems will collapse. So, what are the 5 SHTF medical emergencies? Let's go through these silent, dangerous threats now. Knowing these 5 items will protect your family. These critical facts prevent unsafe mistakes in darkness. Let's analyze the dark science of your home. Understanding these physical limits is key to survival. Number 1 focuses on a sudden heart attack. Your spouse grabs their chest in intense pain, cold sweat, and numbness in the left arm. No ambulance or hospital is coming to help. You only have a few precious minutes left. Give them regular aspirin to chew immediately now. Chewing regular aspirin thins blood very quickly today. Chewing allows rapid absorption through your mouth's tissue. Do not let them swallow the pill whole. Swallowing takes much longer to enter the bloodstream. Keep the patient completely calm and still now. Ensure they sit up upright on the floor comfortable. Do not let them lie down flat today. Lying flat increases dangerous pressure on the heart.
Loosen all tight clothing around their neck immediately. Begin hands-only CPR if they lose consciousness. Perform 100 compressions per single minute now. Push hard and push fast on the chest. Press at least 2 inches deep each time. Let the chest rise completely between every compression. Never stop compressing until they start breathing again. Keep aspirin bottles ready in every single room. Number 2 is severe uncontrolled body bleeding emergencies. A deep cut from a sharp broken window. Blood is pumping rapidly from the deep wound. You must apply direct, firm pressure immediately now. Use a clean cloth on the bleeding wound. Do not remove the cloth when blood leaks. Simply add more clean cloths directly on top. Elevate the injured limb above their heart level. For arterial bleeding, apply a tourniquet immediately now. Place it 2 inches above the bleeding wound. Never place a tourniquet directly over joint areas. Tighten it completely until the red bleeding stops. This process will cause intense pain to patient. Do not loosen the strap under any circumstance. Write the exact time on the tourniquet strap. Pack deep wounds firmly with sterile gauze today. Push the gauze deep inside to apply pressure. Hold firm pressure for at least 3 minutes. This stops major bleeding from deep internal arteries. Keep tourniquets ready in your emergency medical kit. Number 3 focuses on severe, life-threatening allergic reactions, a sudden bee sting or bad food allergy. The throat closes up and breathing stops quickly. You have less than 4 minutes to act. Use an emergency EpiPen in outer thigh immediately now. Hold the needle firmly for 10 short seconds. This delivers vital epinephrine directly to the muscle. It rapidly opens closed airways to allow breathing. If no EpiPen is available in your home, give maximum dose of liquid Benadryl immediately now. Liquid Benadryl absorbs much faster than dry pills. It blocks histamine reactions inside the throat tissues. Keep the patient sitting completely upright in chair. Do not let them lie down flat today. Lying down makes breathing much more difficult now. Monitor their airway passage constantly in the dark. Prepare rescue breathing if their breathing stops completely. Stock liquid Benadryl in your home medical supplies. Talk to your doctor about an EpiPen prescription. Learn your family's allergies before the grid fails. Number 4 is a critical, sudden diabetic crisis. Insulin refrigerator is dead with no electric power. Spoiled insulin is useless in high summer heat. Blood sugar levels will spike or crash dangerously. For low blood sugar, give sugar immediately now. Use juice, sweet candy, or glucose tablets today. 15 grams of fast sugar is required first. Wait 15 minutes and check their levels again. Repeat this process until sugar levels rise safely. For high blood sugar, constant hydration is critical. Drink clean water constantly to flush the system. Stop all carbohydrate and sugar intake immediately now. Monitor for signs of diabetic ketoacidosis very closely. Watch for nausea, fruity breath, and extreme confusion. This situation is highly dangerous and life-threatening. Act immediately to prevent coma in your patient. Room temperature insulin lasts only 28 days. Stock glucose tablets in every room of house. Learn to recognize these critical diabetic symptoms today. Knowing these signs saves your family's vital survival. Now I want to speak directly to you. Do not gamble with your family's vital survival. You belong with us at the Sentinel Fox. 80% of our viewers are completely new. Hit that red subscribe button right now today. Next week, we detail the perfect preparation. Learn how to secure your home cheaply today. Build a reliable 3-day emergency defense plan.
Your next power outage is not an if, it is strictly a matter of when now. Subscribe now to protect your family's vital survival. The National Guard is not your survival plan. You must be your own solid survival plan.
Build your medical supplies before the grid fails. This simple step secures your family's vital survival. Now, let's get back to our list. We will cover the final danger right now. Prepare your mind and body for the crisis. This final step is highly critical to survival. Let's analyze the last danger in the dark. Finally, number 5 is severe infection and fever. A small untreated wound quickly turns red and hot. Swelling spreads and dangerous sepsis begins slowly today. Sepsis is a silent, lethal threat to life. Clean the wound aggressively with clean, sterile water. Remove all dirt and debris immediately, right now. Wash the area thoroughly with soap and water. Apply iodine or betadine to stop bacteria today. Monitor the spreading red lines on your skin. Red streaking means sepsis is spreading very quickly. This indicates a severe, life-threatening medical emergency. Manage the rising fever with aspirin or ibuprofen. Keep the patient hydrated with clean water constantly. Use cold compresses to reduce high body temperatures. Stock reliable fish antibiotics in your emergency kit. These are identical to expensive human prescription drugs. They are available online without any doctor's prescription. Amoxicillin and doxycycline are excellent choices to store. Research your options before the pharmacy is closed. Do not let this final danger compromise you. Here's what I want you to do today. Go to your medicine cabinet right now today. Open the door and look closely at everything. A few Band-Aids and some expired cough syrup. This basic cabinet is not a medical kit. In a grid-downed world, it protects nothing, but 5 simple items will save your family. Aspirin for cardiac emergencies and sudden heart attacks. A tactical tourniquet for severe uncontrolled body bleeding. Liquid Benadryl for life-threatening anaphylactic allergic reactions today. Glucose tablets and sterile gauze for deep infections. These critical tools cost under $50 total. We do not just warn you of collapse, we give you the physical tools to survive. Do this critical preparedness work today, right now. Stay prepared, stay protected. The Sentinel is out.